Hi, I am Naveen Chatlapalli. In this demo, I'll be showcasing how UiPath's latest product, UiPath Maestro, enables agentic orchestration for HR employee onboarding automation. Today, HR team often spends 30 minutes or more manually entering employee data, leading to errors, delays, and compliance risks. But with Maestro, we automate this process end to end, triggered by a simple email, saving time, improving accuracy, and delivering a seamless onboarding experience. So let's look into it.
In this demo, we'll be exploring an employee onboarding automation using the new UiPath agentic orchestration tool, Maestro. Let's start by taking a closer look at the problem statement. Currently, the average HR team spends close to 30 minutes per hire to manually enter the employee's information into their system. This process can be very error-prone, and in some cases, requires increased resourcing as the company scales and grows. How can we help HR teams improve accuracy, productivity, and eliminate the need for manual data entry? By implementing an end-to-end automated employee onboarding workflow, we can minimize errors and compliance risks, deliver a consistent candidate experience, and give time back to HR teams so that they can focus on strategic work rather than repetitive tasks. Let's explore how this solution works in Maestro. First, the process is initiated by an email trigger. The HR inbox is continuously monitored for new hire-related emails sent by employees or managers. Messages like, "Has Alex Johnson been onboarded?" The agent will begin by extracting employee details from the email, then trigger a UiPath RPA bot to verify if their HRIS record exists. If the employee record does not exist, it will create a new employee record, then send them an employee onboarding email. What are the real-world challenges we can solve with this automation? For seasonal retail hiring, this solution can handle surges in new hires without manual intervention. We can also deploy updates rapidly for recruitment campaigns in campus recruiting. Lastly, we can ensure data consistency across legacy and modern HR systems, providing automated record matching across systems. Now, let's jump into the demo. Here is an example of an email from a department manager to HR asking to confirm if an employee record exists for Alex Johnson in their internal employee database. In UiPath Maestro, we'll click Test to begin the process. First, the email trigger launches, followed by the AI agent. Built with UiPath Agent Builder and integration with large language models, it has identified that the employee record does not exist. It quickly creates an employee record entry and sends the new hire and employee onboarding email. Let's take a look at the AI agent working in the background. Here we see the main page for building the AI agent. Simply provide the agent with a detailed system prompt of its objectives, along with a user prompt including all the request types it can action. Here we see the tools this agent has access to. In this case, it can use the API call to the HR system and pull employee information. Arguments can also be configured in the argument scheme. If I ask, does an employee named Jane exist? It will use GPT-4 and the RPA bot to investigate the request. We see that a Jane Smith does exist. We can also ask other questions like, what is the role of Jane Smith? Here we see the agent making a call to the HR system and serving a response. Jane Smith is a senior software engineer in the development department. This AI agent is then utilized in Maestro, which allows you to connect the end-to-end chaining process across UiPath Action Center and apps in one interface. Some of the key benefits of this solution include time savings, improved accuracy and scalability, enhanced experiences for both hiring managers, HR teams, and new employees. Lastly, the plug-and-play nature of the solution allows teams to integrate the solution with any HR system, email platform, or LLM. Thanks for watching.